Hi everyone, it's Cody from the Analogue archive. I've got something a little bit special today. We have a brand new, or almost new I should say, Olympus XA1 in the box. So we're just going to go ahead and open this up and check out what we have inside. The warranty here, which is pretty cool. Camera and the A9M flash. Pretty handy. Oh, look at that. Look at the detail on that. How cool is that? Got some instructions here. And I believe this is the manual. Look at that, little detailed illustrations on how to go ahead and use your camera. So for number one, let's go ahead and have a look at this. How cool is this? How cool is this? How to use the flash. Unloading the film. Pretty straightforward, right? How to load the film on, which I will have a video on that probably before this one actually, because it's nice and easy when I can punch out or push out. The do's and the don'ts, pretty cool. And preparation. It's pretty cool. Now, let's go ahead and pull out the camera. Let's have a look at the actual camera itself, eh? Let's get the flash here, the A9M. And let's go ahead and pull out the camera. So I used to have a little Olympus XA2. I believe it's very similar to the Olympus XA1. But it hasn't got any focusing. It's a fixed focus lens on this one. F4, I believe. Great little street photography camera. Put the flash here. Let's go ahead and snap that on. Really, really easy, just screws on like that. Almost got it, there we go. It's that easy. Nice little setup, nice and compact. Now, I think, there we go. We have a little receipt in the box. Let's see when this thing was, let's see if this is the original, that'd be pretty cool. Upside down, there we go. What does that say? A third of the first 89 in Footscray, so that'd be down in Melbourne. That's awesome. That's a great little find. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe, and if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, that's cool, you can dislike it too. Hope you guys have a great day. See ya.